Since the adoption of the aircraft push procedure in the year 1965, the tow bar tractor became indispensable. But today, we are showing to you our TPO 400 tow barless tractor, new generation, conceived for the push and towing of small and big aircraft types. The TPO 400 without towing bar has been developed under consideration of efficiency, safety, and polyvalency required on a big international airport. Its direct loading system from the aircraft excludes the use and the disadvantage of the standing towing bars necessary for each aircraft type, and of course, no more storage, maintenance, and purchase of bars. The TPO 400 operates quickly from an aircraft to another without any preparation. Therefore, the SEPMA TPO 400 is easier in use than a tow bar tractor, as it has only one driving axle and one steering axle. This sole driving axle is sufficient for towing the heaviest aircraft, as the weight of the aircraft nose landing gear conduces to a very strong ground adherence. Furthermore, the suppression of the towing bar allows with a sole steering axle a higher handling ability. Its mechanical subcomponents are of worldwide well-known trademarks: MAN, Allison, Allen Bradley, Parker, Michelin, Danfoss, etc. Speaking of loading, it looks as though the TPO 400 takes carefully with its clamping system the aircraft nose landing gear. It seems to be simple and easy, but in fact it is a highly developed automatic system. After gates opening, the tractor positions the aircraft nose landing gear for the cell course beginning, which applies automatically the parking brake. After acceleration, the platform, without being in contact with the ground, fits under the aircraft tire till the field of action of the photocell, which stores the correct positioning. The parking brakes is applied, the platform raises, gates close fully, flaps close onto the aircraft tire, and the loading cycle is finished, which allows the action of the rolling key. In fact, the Automate controls the whole cycle of aircraft's loading. Nevertheless, the driver can with his joystick intervene either for stopping the cycle or for coming back, and this without restarting the cycle. The Automate of the TPO 400 controls continuously the different situations. It also detects any deviation, it measures type and gravity, the driver being immediately informed. The results are stored and can be printed. All these informations are stored, dated, and referenced according to the TPO 400 operating period. Moreover, this automation is appreciated in towing driving mode for controlling the gear clearances on automatic transmission and also front-rear motions and neutral. Finally, speed and engine revolutions are always controlled. The aircraft pushing runs at 5 km an hour and the towing gate to gate at 27 km an hour. The main concern regarding this equipment has been the safety. The actual effort applied on the wheel clamping system is controlled, and when the pin load alert limit is exceeded, the engine injection is automatically cut off and gearbox is shifted into neutral position. The TPO 400 can be used during 7 to 20 years without greater renovation. Thanks to its simple concept, the TPO 400 maintenance costs are low, only 15 to 20 days per year for 2 maintenance operators. Indeed, the adoption of a hydrodynamic transmission consisting of a torque converter, an automatic gearbox, and a driving axle with double ratio realizes a more reliable and less expensive purchase and maintenance costs than a hydrostatic transmission. It is tempting to praise other advantages of this new equipment. The comfortable ergonomic elevating or fixed cab with large visibility and with a rotating driving station for pushing and towing. The aircraft approach reliability, the strong stability of the gear preventing the aircraft from turning by high wind, and especially a positive advantage, its very attractive price added to the maintenance and use savings.
Nous sommes autorisés à rouler.
Ok, on débute le roulage, je suis prêt.
Ok, je lâche le frein de parc. Frein de parc lâché, pression fluidée, tu peux rouler.
Ok, frein de parc enlevé, je roule.
The drawbar pull of the TPO 400 is 39 tons. It gives to the tractor the big power and acceleration curve necessary for the towing operations. The TPO 400 will give you more security in the handling of your aircrafts and substantial savings in your utilization. From now on, it is the tractor you are expecting. Then you have to study it. See you soon.